Meet the Super Vasuki, India's pride on rails. This beast stretches 3.5 kilos with 295 loaded wagons. It hauls over 27,000 tons of coal, a true powerhouse. Designed for efficiency, it revolutionizes coal transport. Debuted on August 15, 2022, during Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Meanwhile, the Australian BHP iron ore train is a global giant. With 682 carriages, it weighs around 100,000 tons. Both trains redefine heavy freight, setting new records. Witness the marvel of engineering and sheer scale. Experience the future of freight with these titans.